Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Hamster Kombat not opening. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Access the Hamster Kombat channel and then tap on the play button to launch the game. If the game doesn't open and just stays on a blank screen, close the Telegram app completely. Next, go to your device's Settings app. Scroll down and select General. Under General Settings, look for iPhone storage or device storage, depending on your device. Once you're in the storage settings, locate the Telegram app. After finding it, tap on it. On the Telegram app settings page, look for the Offload app option. Tap on it to offload the app. After offloading, you'll see an option to reinstall app. Tap on it and wait for the app to reinstall. This process will clear the app's cache without deleting your chats and settings. Once the reinstallation is complete, launch the Telegram app again and try accessing Hamster Kombat. The game should open without any issues. So that's basically how you can fix Hamster Kombat not opening. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.